Today's video is sponsored by Luvmehair, and in the packaging I received these goodies that I'm showing you right now. The wig that I'm gonna be working with today is a 20-inch brown mixed black. Listen to me, that's the description, okay? So it is brown mixed black, loose wave, C-part with bangs, 5x5 closure wig, and the density is 150. Also, the hairline is pre-plucked, and it came with a parting bean on the right side, and this is the bang. And inside you have 4-way combs and adjustable straps. So I went ahead and I bleached the knots and I kept the curls. This is the parting and the cutting of the bang, and as you can see, it's versatile. You can wear it on both sides, but here what though, my cute side is on the left, like having the part on the left and making the hair fall on the right. So all I'm gonna be doing is, give it a little touch up, like cutting off the lace, a little baby hair with some curls. I need this video to be an easy installment, like something straight out of the box, no skills needed. So here we go. What I've noticed with this closure is that it doesn't have that double stitch lace at the sides, so it ends up feel flat on the forehead. So yeah, no lace lump.
When nobody else was paying, I gave you the shirt off my back. What you saying? Keep you warm. I showed you the game everybody else was playing. That's for sure. And I was on my knees when nobody else was praying. Oh Lord.
Because the hair is so thick, I was able to do a layer cut at the front. And guys, if you're interested in this wig, I will link all the information down below. It will be a direct link. Now I also have a discount code that you can use to save yourself some coins. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos.
Couldn't find you anywhere. When you broke down, I didn't leave you. I was by your side. So where are you now that I need you? Where are you now that I need you? I gave you attention when nobody else was paying. I gave you the shirt off my back, what you saying? Keep you warm. I showed you the game everybody else was playing.
And I am done, and all I did was fit it to my likings, and the wig is definitely something straight out of the box. You can wear it in many ways: side parts, middle parts, and the collar shot. Hello. And guess what? It's schoolers. Like, put on and go. Like, come on now. Anyway, later, and I will catch you on the next one. Yeah.